Oh, we're so fucking lost, man. I'm bear crawling this shit. Is that it? What? I can't fucking hear you over how tall this mountain is.
I almost shit my pants.
You thought it was a dead end?
No.
Is that a dead body?
I almost peed my fucking
Just
pants.
go. Just hurry up. No, you're pushing me into a bush. Ew, there's a tampon right there. Just walk, man. Come on. I don't see anybody. Let's fucking get out of here. Oh.
That's not even fucking funny.
Gabby, what do you mean? Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Is that our car?
Yeah.
You were first.
No, we're not. We're second.
Oh.
Third, fourth. I almost shit.
Oh, the light's over.